Internets, and welcome back to Whiskey City Overland. On today's episode, we're talking about Bunker Industries farm jack mounts. Here we go. Welcome back to Whiskey City Overland, and today we're doing another product review. And today, as you may have seen, is a mount. And this is a mount for a farm jack. Now, I reviewed a farm jack a few years ago, and I put it on this channel, on my other YouTube channel, of the initial farm jack or truck jack mounts that I put in. And they've worked. They haven't broken. They've been great. I have two problems with them. One, they are very hard to get tight enough to stay tight because it's just like a star shape handle. And two, I hear a little bit of rattling from time to time. So I was thankful when Bunker Industries, which is a overlanding and outdoor equipment supplier from Australia, mate, which is my favorite place to watch overlanding, like the four-wheel drive 24/7 blokes. All Australians just unfollowed me. Sorry, guys. I love you, though. They reached out and asked if I would test some other products. So they sent me these, and we're going to give it a shot. These are... You can mount these with the bolts that come with it. You can mount them to T-rails on the side of a tent maybe, or some other sort of rack that you have. And then they also have a hole in the center, which is probably what we're going to utilize here, because I mount mine to the bed rails that come in the Frontier with some unistrut nuts that go kind of in the rail, and you just screw them in. So we're going to give these babies a shot. I think these will be much easier to tighten because they have more leverage than the little star thing, and they have polyurethane bushings to go between, which should eliminate some of the rattling. So we're going to get the old one out, we're going to put this baby in, and we'll see what it looks like. So we can see my old mounts here, which is just a little look. I didn't touch this. This is my problem with this setup, is they're already coming loose. So I got to get in here every once in a while and try to tighten these babies down, or that happens and then I just hear the whole time. Now some of that is this piece, and it's going to rattle no matter what, but we're going to take these out and put the Bunker Industry ones in. Oh, now I tightened it up and can't get it loose. Pop that one out. This baby down, and you can see these are just in here with some washers and some nuts, so I need to get a Phillips head and get those out. Alright, so I've kind of pre-attached the unistrut nuts, and they're going to go in sideways as such. And then you're going to want to twist them up vertical and tighten it down. Now, I'm probably going to need both hands to do that. I lied, I'll cheat. That's that one. Already, those seem more sturdy than these, and the way I had to mount these, because this plate is bigger. So, that looks pretty good. I'll put the other one on the other side, and then we can adjust this up and down as we wish. I think ideally you would have this mounted the other way so you can adjust it back and forth to fit the hole. But just with the way I'm mounting it in here, it has to go in this way. So what I might do is take this off, go ahead and mount this half to give me an idea of where the other one's going to go. But before that, I'm going to get the other one ready. Get these out of it that came with it. All right, I got that side in a little bit loose. We're going to pop this up, pop it on there. I'm going to take Now this is still going to rattle, and this is still going to rattle, but there we go. Bunker Industries. Now, most of that flex comes from the back of the bed on this rail, so I'm going to get a little bit of movement there. Check them out, Bunker Industries. I'll put a link in the description. Well, thanks for watching this episode of Whiskey City Overland. Hopefully you found this helpful and it gives you an idea or ideas for how you can mount your jack in your truck. These things are big, they're heavy. You know, you put it in front of the truck, you're sucking up a lot of fuel mileage on wind. You put it on top, same thing. But if you've got bed rails, there's a really easy way to mount them just using some unistrut nuts. I'll post a link in the description. If you use that link, that helps us out and helps us with our partners. I will also post a link to some other Bunker Industries products so you can kind of see the full line of things that they're making at the moment. And I guess that's it for today's show. We'll see you next time on Whiskey City Overland.